Hello everyone. So I just installed today the OEM radiator guards for my 2021 BMW R1250GS Adventure. And since I saw there are no videos on YouTube about how the OEM radiator guards look, I thought to show it to you. I wish I recorded while installing them, but it's a pretty easy install. So let me show it to you here. You see here at the back, they're black in color. It's hard plastic material, and that's what it is used. You do find the aftermarket ones which are stainless steel, but these are hard plastic. Let me show you where the 3 screws are on each one, the left and the right one, which all you need to remove in order to basically just sort of slide these ones in and install them. So this is how they look if you want to see a clearer picture of them, the left and right one. So the first screw is down here. You see the same on both the sides, the one there. And the other 2 screws are right on the top there. So one here and one there for the right one. And for the left one, it's one here and one right on top. Maybe you can't see it, but where I'm pointing my finger. So all you need to do is just remove these 3 screws. Once you remove the screws, it's an easy slide up. It locks into place. You put the screw back, and it looks very nice and better than the stainless steel one, I would say. I've also heard that with the stainless steel ones, you do hear sometimes some rattling sound while riding and all those things, but with the OEM ones, you don't. So that was my reason to go with the OEM ones, and honestly, they look nicer, plus they're also much cheaper. I paid, I think, about $45 or $25 for each, so they're much cheaper than the other ones. So feel free to let me know in the comments below if this is something you have, or you prefer the stainless steel, and what your reasoning is. Maybe you prefer stainless steel, maybe they're better, and maybe I could consider them for next time. But thank you for watching the video again. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more videos.